Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share this month's Flavors of the Month. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You can also add on one of the 3 add-ons or all of them. We have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on, so you can make your kit even bigger and go even further. Along with your kit, you'll have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are double page layouts that our design team creates for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You'll also have access to this free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You, just for you. And this month is this awesome cut file with the title Forever and Always, and also the little window and the flower, so you can do so much with this cut file. Along with your kit, you also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so this is perfect to brew up and sip on when you're going through your kits and seeing all of the goodies, and then you can dig right in and start creating. Our 4 collections this month are April and Ivy, and this is from American Crafts. From Echo Park, we have Little Ladybug. From Bevalent, we have Poppy and Pear. And then Simple Stories, we have the Simple Vintage Love Story collection. So you can see we have a wide variety of color schemes and themes and just so much gorgeousness. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. Our first collection is April and Ivy from American Crafts. This is a gorgeous collection. It's kind of have a distressing look to it, and it's more muted down. It's not like bright, vibrant colors, but yet it is bright colors. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. We have this paper called Blooming Brights, which is beautiful large florals. This would be great to fussy cut and embellish with. The back is this gorgeous turquoise kind of play on stripes, full branding strip of the butterflies. We have this paper called Color Crush, which is a fun play on a stripe. So I really love this. And then they run that diagonal through there. The back is this tone-on-tone green with all the leaves, a grid or ledger print for the branding strip. This paper is called Feathered Friends. We have all these cute little whimsical birds and florals. And the back is a fun play on a check design in a 2-toned pink. Branding strip of all of those birds. So one more look at your pattern paper. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get a variety of the ephemera pieces. So some of these are vellum. So like this one is a printed vellum. So hopefully that shows up. And then there's this one's a little vellum piece. These are perforated, so you can tear those apart or leave them together. You're also going to get some enamel shapes here. So mine are adorable. I love them. Little hearts and circles. So that is April and Ivy from American Crafts. Our next collection is Little Ladybug, and this is from Echo Park Paper. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of red cardstock. Your pattern paper is this floral with the ladybugs in the different sizes. So the back is a aqua check design. That paper is called Cute as a Bug. We have this paper with the small little rows of daisies and then little ladybugs popped in here and there. The back is another floral print on black. That paper is called Delightful Daisies. Then we have a large floral in red with the green. And the back is a green and white stripe. This is called Simply the Cutest. I just love all of the summer vibes in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. There's a large scalloped border in the red with florals. I love the little ladybug jar here. Some journaling spots. Oh, look at that famous little mug there. Wishing you a great day. Hello, friend. Wild, free, and as happy as can be. So cute. So that is Little Ladybug from Echo Park. Our next collection is Poppy and Pear from Bevalent. It's a really beautiful collection that will be good for lots of documenting. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this paper here called Blissful Blooms, which is a gorgeous pink floral with the pops of yellow and blue. The back is a chevron in the kind of green, the blue-green. This paper is called Color Burst, and it has rows of banners. And then the back is a fun take on stripes in that blue and green. We have this paper called Technicolor, which is stripes of all of the different colors. And then a confetti print on the back, so you can see just really good generic designs in the papers that you could do just about anything. Now the embellishments for this has been back ordered, so I don't have them. I'm going to drop a graphic in here, so you're going to get a 6x12 sticker sheet, and these will vary. There are 2 different ones, so you'll get one or the other. So there's lots of options on here that you could use for titles and then icons for embellishments, just really pretty. So that is Poppy and Pear from Bevalent. Our final collection is from Simple Stories, and this is from their Simple Vintage collection called Love Story. And I love this collection because even though it's kind of Valentine's themed, it's just more love. It doesn't have to be February 14th. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one, Our Story, and I love this with the stack of books. It's all done for you. Just tuck some photos and journaling and a few extra little embellishments. It's gorgeous. Whoops. The back is a beautiful floral, minty blue-green. This paper is called Unforgettable with all of the cameras and the floral pieces. You could fussy cut some of those out for some extra embellishments. The back is this beautiful paper here with all of these vintage newsprint and cards and advertisements. We have this paper called My Heart, which is full of hearts and all of these little mixed medias, kind of like this, all cut up on top of the pattern paper for you. And the back is this gorgeous design in the mauve. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety. So we have some foam stickers. And then we have some of the die cut pieces. And then you're also going to receive 3 of the tags. This is the patterned paper. And just cut apart so you can use this side or the blank side for journaling. So that is Simple Vintage Love Story from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons. I'll have the link here. Also, the Shots of Life, which coordinates with this kit, so it can give you more pattern paper embellishments as well. Also, check out all the other kits available in the store and the individual items. I checked it out the other day, and it is full of product. So check it out and have it shipped along with your kit. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.